Hi, YouTube viewers. This is Benny Low. On this video, I'd like to share with you a few pointers about how to engage online students in mathematics. I've been teaching online courses for the past 5 years or so. This is now summer 2015. So I was given online assignments about around 2010, 2011. Before 2010, I was teaching mainly on campus, on-site courses. So honestly, the first few months, the first semester or so, I did not quite believe in online courses because I had to switch from the on-campus mode to online mode. I wasn't sure about the process. I was so used to dealing with students face-to-face in a classroom environment, so I wasn't sure about the success of online teaching. But having taught the online format for about 5 or 6 years, I finally believe in it completely. I have developed some techniques, some very successful techniques on how to engage your online math student. As you well know, teaching math is not the most exciting subject. When you get to do face-to-face, then you may crack a joke or two, try to be funny a little bit, try to share some interesting application. But how do you do similar things online when you normally don't get to see the faces? Your student may never see your face, the face of the teacher, unless you post a video on YouTube like what I'm doing. So I have identified 4 major points that I would like to share with you today. First, be sympathetic. Second, be patient with your student. Third, be encouraging. And lastly, do a lot of examples on either YouTube videos like what I'm doing, or if you don't feel comfortable posting videos, you may do it in discussion area. So let me go over each point, each idea in some detail. First, be sympathetic. Normally in the classroom or in the online environment, I tell my students that when I was young, when I was in junior high or high school, I used to fail math. Could you believe that? Now I've been teaching math for 22 or so years at a private university and also at a community college. But when I was in junior high, I used to fail math. It's not that I did not study hard. I was educated under the British system. It was highly competitive back in the 70s. I look around, every night I had to do like almost 100 factoring problems or 100 problems on graphing and so on. It was so time-consuming, and I felt like a dummy. And then it was so competitive. It looked like most of my classmates were doing well, and I wasn't. And luckily, later on, I was able to catch up. I got some good teachers when I moved to the U.S. from Hong Kong, and then I did really well with the help of my teachers as a private tutor. They did not charge me anything, so I was able to make it from a failing math student to a pretty successful math student with A's and B's. So if you have a similar experience like that, if you're used to not doing well in math, you may want to share with your student. And now you know my testimony. You can ask them to watch my video or say, oh, this is a Benny Low guy. He used to fail math and then now he make it. If he could make it, most of you can make it too. Right? Most of the students could make it too. So my second idea is to be patient with the student. Sometimes they may ask so-called dumb questions, or they may ask you to repeat things, but try to be patient with them. Instead of saying that, how come you didn't get it? I repeated many times. Be patient with them. It's okay to repeat things, repeat an example, or repeat an announcement, or repeat an email, and so on. Sometimes for a slower student, it takes time for them to digest it, to absorb the ideas. So the key is avoid nasty comments. My third point is be encouraging. Be liberal with your praises. So say thank you for your student. After all, they are our customers, right? We get our paycheck from the tuition. And also, if they do something right, even just a minor thing, just praise them. Saying something like, great job. If they turn in something early, a day or two, great job. If they have been doing really well, congratulate them. say something like keep up the good work and so on and so forth. And my last point is do lots of examples. If you can post YouTube videos or your special video from your laptop, fantastic. You can do something similar to what I'm doing. Post YouTube videos to engage them, show examples. If you don't feel comfortable doing YouTube videos, it's okay to email them examples. You can post some exercises like factoring exercises or graphic exercises in the discussion area by writing, and then ask them to reply, and in a day or two provide the solution. So it's okay. You can think of ideas like that. No? And on YouTube, there are lots of videos. In addition to my Benny Loves Math channel, you can look up like Patrick Jones and many other videos. If you Google it, all these free videos will come up. So by all means, be sympathetic, be patient, be encouraging, and do lots of examples to help your student out. I hope these pointers will help you. Feel free to leave me some comments, and we can generate some kind of discussion on YouTube. Bye now.